The coronavirus,
Total lockdown.
stay at home.
How's the whole working from home thing going for you?
But today we are going to be productive. Like how any good day starts, coffee. If you are like me, you would have found it very hard to stick to a structured routine during the initial times during work from home. But there are a few things which I did in order to change that. For me, the environment around me has a huge impact on how productive my day is. I'm the type of person who can eat healthy on a day-to-day basis with no issues at all. But as soon as I'm on vacation or out of routine basically, that switch just flips and I end up eating junk all day every day. And that's because environment. If there's no junk in the house, how will you eat it? That is if you live alone and you can control on whether or not you want to buy it or not. But in my case, it's slightly different now. Snacks. What do we tell snacks when we are trying to eat healthy? Not today. The definition of what a good environment is varies from person to person. For me personally, a good environment lets me eat healthy and work out. I find that for me, when these two factors are taken care of, the rest of the day or the other factors in my life are also taken care of. Yep, let's go. And as I've mentioned earlier, convenience should be your number one priority when picking a gym. You should always have an idea of what you want to do before you hit the gym, so that way you don't waste any time. And for me, workouts take about 1 to 1 hour 15 minutes at max. I just had a really nice workout. If you're ever in Kochi, do visit Midtown Fitness. Pretty good. The time right now is 9:20, and before we head home, there's one last spot we need to visit. Thank you. The good stuff has been acquired. Yeah, so I'll explain everything regarding the diet sometime around lunch. But right now, I think I'll have to get ready before I start working. And that's the other thing I really like about working out or exercising in the morning, because I end up sweating so much that I have to take a shower. That forces me to take a shower. So that's also something I really like. Yeah, so the time right now is about 10:10, and basically what that means is it's time to start working. And I've also got my second cup of coffee. I'm not sure if you can call this a cup, but second container of coffee. So yeah. Something you can use to be more productive is using one space for one purpose. Basically, when I sit on this chair is the only time I work, and whenever I'm laying on the bed, I only relax. I don't lay on the bed and work, and I don't relax when I'm sitting on this chair. At least that way there's a distinction, at least mentally, on what to do and where. You can use different rooms in your house, which is what I'm currently doing, or you can also do the same thing with different spaces in a single room. Okay, now let's start working. No, but seriously, I actually have to start working. So I'll see you guys later. And now it's time for lunch. So the next thing I want to talk about is timings. So basically, when we're working from home, there's no clear distinction on when we should bath in the morning, what time lunch should be, and that's good. But then I also found myself not having a clear distinction or an end time of when my work should stop, you know. Sometimes what would end up happening was I would start late and end up working past 6, which is something I don't like. So I would just like to stick to my timings and finish work by 6. And even mentally, it's very relieving to have a sense of time on what time work starts and ends. Yep, time to eat. So yeah, welcome to Vivek's kitchen. Wait, not exactly my kitchen, more like my mom's kitchen, which I'm taking over. The main issue I face when I come home is snacking and just the craving of having snacks, and right when it's right in front of you in that cupboard, this cupboard, the snacks cupboard. Not today. Yeah, so mainly when it's right in front of you, it's very hard to not eat. Other thing is, in an Indian household, the majority of your food source are from carbs. There's nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, in order to get full or have the feeling of feeling full, you'll have to eat a lot of it. And that's basically because refined carbohydrates don't send the signal to your brain on time to say that, oh, stop eating, you're full. So as a result, you end up overeating. But protein, on the other hand, doesn't block that signal. So you feel full with a little amount of food. Protein is very satiating. So what that basically means is that it keeps you fuller for longer. So the urge to snack and all that is kind of reduced. And since I've already gone through all the effort of buying and cooking all my food, it's not like I'm not going to eat it. You might be wondering, isn't the quantity a little bit less? But that's the thing. Like eating that much amount of protein will keep me as full as eating double or if not triple the quantity in rice. Yeah, so basically I just got done with lunch and now it's time to get back to work. And I also have my coffee number 3 of the day. Yeah, so just finished working for about 8 hours and right now it's 6:30, a little longer than anticipated, but it is what it is. Some things are not in my control. So yeah, that's it. Just gonna shut the laptop and call it a day in terms of work from there. And one more thing you might be wondering over the course of this whole video is, Vivek, what is that thing on your face? And yes, I know that I can't grow a full beard. So time to fix that. Yeah. Kind of better. Yeah, halfway there. I also need a haircut, but then I'm too lazy to go today. So yeah. Yeah, just feel kind of tired and lazy, and maybe going out for a walk might help. Oh, but before we go, I think I need to change my t-shirt. Yeah, much better. There's some sort of temple festival that's going on, and I'm not sure if you can hear the sound of the music, but let's go check it out either ways. Wait, you can hear that, right? The music. Wait, you can't? 1 second. Wait, let me just... The day started off pretty well, but then as the day went on, I think the work kind of sucked the life out of me. And yeah, this walk also really helped and as I'm listening to my audiobook. Not too hungry, so I'm just having a bowl of tomato rice along with watching Matt Diavella's new video. Okay, so the time right now is about 10 o'clock and I'm pretty tired. And yeah, I think I'll just call it a day. And yeah, that's it. So hope you like this video. If you did, please do like, comment, subscribe and do all that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, and forgive me if I don't look that great today. I kind of just woke up and I also definitely need to shave.